Welcome to Sprout,
the channel where we
rise and shine,
share breakfast with a friend,
and live Sprout. Catch a case of the giggles.
Jump on board,
Twirl, whirl, and wiggle.
and live Sprout.
Yawn like a bear. Stretch to the moon.
Cuddle up for sleepy time.
See you again soon.
Live Sprout. Sprout, the 24-hour preschool channel parents and kids share together.
Every sunny morning, it's everyone's favorite purple pal, Barney.
Hi, everybody.
Get ready to sing along, play games, and share some smiles too. Because Barney and his friends can't wait to see you.
That's a terrific idea.
Come play with Barney and friends every sunny side up morning.
Here on Sprout.
Every Sprout afternoon, share a dance with Angelina Ballerina.
Angelina Mousen, famous star and prima ballerina.
Angelina's ready to perform, and she wants you to come along.
Hooray!
Can you dance on your tippy toes and pirouette through the sky?
Watch me, remember?
Join Angelina and give it a try.
Beautiful, darling, beautiful.
So put on your dancing shoes and share a dance with Angelina Ballerina every afternoon on the Sprout Sharing Show.
Welcome back, Sproutlets. Tonight we're talking about parents, moms and dads.
And parents in Spanish is padres. You get to do so many fun things with parents.
That's right. You know, parents can take you on hikes and point out all sorts of things about nature.
Or you can build sandcastles on top of your parents at the beach.
Oh, that's a good one, Star. Oh, what about going to the park with your parents? Does your mom or dad push you on the swing? Oh, nice.
Little Star loves it when I swing with him.
Oh, that's super, Papa Star. Or maybe your parents help you down from the monkey bars.
I catch Little Star at the bottom of the slide. We have so much fun.
Oh, it sounds like you do. Now, why don't we hear about all the fun things our Sproutlet friends do with their parents?
Yes, please. Little Star says, yes, please.
I saw stars in the sky with Daddy. My brother and Daddy makes me laugh a lot.
We play, we watch TV, we do everything.
I danced with my mom and Dad. And parents took us in at night. I like to play with Mommy's pillows. I like to fix motorcycles and cars with my dad. I like playing football with my dad in the front yard. We help my mom to do laundry. We can sometimes make up our own dance.
Thanks for sharing, Sproutlets. We're always happy to hear from you. Now, I wonder which friend is ready to play. Lucy, can you light the way?
Look, it's time for another one of...
Sprout wants to say thank you.
Thank you, Leo. I'm celebrating your super-duper act of kindness.
Thank you for being so kind to your family.
Maybe you give hugs that are big, or it's a garden that you dig. Your small, kind acts matter big. Sprout would like to say thank you for those small, kind acts that you do.
Everybody is very, very proud of you.
Whether in the community or at Grandma's house, your kind acts you can announce on sproutonline.com. Click on Kindness Counts. To receive your free personalized thank you video from your favorite Sprout friends, go to sproutonline.com.
Hi, I'm Nicholas and I'm 4 years old. I love weekend mornings. I snuggle up with my mom in my blanket on our big couch. And I get to play with my favorite friends on TV.
Weekend mornings are extra special on PBS Kids Sprout with hour-long episodes of Sesame Street, Teletubbies, and Barney. It all starts at 6 a.m., 5 a.m. Central tomorrow morning on PBS Kids Sprout. Every day on PBS Kids Sprout.
Hi, everybody! Welcome to Sesame Street!
Sesame Street's the place where good friends come in all shapes and sizes. Big friends,
When words rhyme, that means they sound the same.
little friends,
I was very happy to see you!
and this is Kermit the Frog.
Oh, and one big grouch. Learning letters and numbers is lots of fun with friends like these around. Sesame Street every day on PBS Kids Sprout.
And now, back to the Goodnight Show here on Sprout.
Welcome back, Sproutlets. We're so glad you're here. We're having a wonderful time spending this good night together.
Nina, do you know what would make this good night even more wonderful?
Let's hear it, Star.
Playing the good night game.
Oh, that's a great idea. Let's spin the moonbeam wheel and see where it lands. You can guess along with us.
Spin, 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 little wheel. It's going to land on pink, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue. I knew it. Pink.
We're going to play a game called Animal Babies. Every baby has parents, even animals. So let's match these baby animals to the right parent. Here's a picture of a baby
kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing.
That's right. And do you know a baby kangaroo is also called a joey?
Wow.
Who do you think this joey's parent is?
I think Joey's parent is the grown-up kangaroo.
That's right. So we'll move this joey right next to his mom.
And Nina, look, I see a cat.
It's a type of cat. Do you know what it's called? It's a lion. And a baby lion is also called a cub. Who do you think is the parent of this cub?
Oh, I think I know that one. It's the lion.
Right. So let's move the cub next to the daddy lion. Now, I think you know what animal this is.
It's an elephant. But that baby doesn't look very teeny tiny.
You're right, Star. A baby elephant can weigh about 250 pounds.
Wow. How does the mommy elephant pick up the baby if it's that heavy?
Well, elephants can't pick up their babies, but they can cuddle with them with their trunks.
Aw, that's so cute.
Let's put the baby elephant right next to his mommy's trunk. Great job, everyone. Thanks for helping us match these baby animals with their parents. And now it's time to play with another wonderful Sprout friend of ours. I wonder who it is. Oh, Lucy! I can't wait to see who it is.
Hi, Nina and Star. Are you ready for another adventure together?
Every good night, say hello to Kipper.
Hello, Kipper.
And Pig and Arnold, too.
Hello, Pig. Hello, Arnold. Can I smell cake?
But don't forget Tiger.
Can't catch me.
Or Big Owl.
Say hello, Big Owl. Hello.
Because they'd all love for you to come over and stay for a little while.
Do you want to go to the park?
Yeah.
Wind down with Kipper every good night, right here on Sprout.
Every Sprout afternoon, share some Hoobacious adventures with the Who's. Hooray! Come share in all the fun with the Who's. Every afternoon on the Sprout Sharing Show.
You've seen them on Sprout. Now get ready to think inside the box as you build your very own Sproutorama.
Sproutorama?
It may be hard to say, but it's a lot of fun to make. It only takes a small shoebox, a few supplies, and a big imagination. Create your own Sprout world and send in a photo. Then watch and see. Your Sproutorama might come to life on TV.
Sproutorama!
For complete instructions, visit sproutonline.com.
Good night show here on Sprout.
Hello, Sproutlets. We're having such a great good night together. We've been singing songs and telling stories and making crafts.
And I'm gonna stay up all night. Or maybe I'm not.
Star, I know it's hard to think about bedtime when you're having so much fun, but we all need our rest.
Oh, I know. But I don't have to go to bed now, do I?
Well, no, not yet, Star. We still have lots of great things to do with our Sproutlet friends.
Like Nina?
Well, there are some more stories to share and friends to play with. And of course, a little later on, before we go to bed, we have to brush our teeth.
Brusha, brusha, brusha.
And wash our faces.
Scrubba, scrubba, scrubba.
And maybe, just maybe, learn a few new things.
Cool.
You know, I have an idea. Would you like to learn something new right now?
Yes, I would. Oh, like maybe I could learn how to stay up all night.
Funny, Star. I was actually thinking maybe it would be nice to learn a new word using sign language.
Oh, that's an even better idea, Nina.
Are you ready to learn a new sign too? Great. Remember, sign language is a real language where you use your hands to communicate something. I'm going to show you how to sign the word parents. Ready? Okay, watch me. Mom, Dad, parents. Would you like to try it? Okay. Bring your thumb to your chin for Mom, and then to your forehead for Dad. Parents. Let's try it together, okay? Mom, Dad, parents. What great signers you are. Now you can share a brand new word in sign language with your friends and family. But first, here comes a special friend who's ready to play. Can you guess who it is? Let's call Lucy and find out. Oh, Lucy! Oh, who could it be?